What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel with your host, JP. We have an absolutely magnificent property to tour for you guys today. This is going to be 44 Emerald Bay, which is positioned in the private 24-hour guard-gated community of Emerald Bay here in beautiful Laguna Beach, California. The property that we are going to be touring here today features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3,000 square feet of interior space, and is currently on the market for $12.7 million. So just to give you guys a little bit of background on the price per square footage that you're paying inside of this neighborhood, it is roughly about $4,100 per square foot. Also, I wanted to give a special thank you to Maura, who is the listing agent of this property, for letting us tour her amazing listing. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this property here in Emerald Bay, California features 3 floors. We have the first floor right here consisting of the garage, a private movie theater, several bedrooms. We have the main level right above that, which is going to feature the kitchen and the main living areas. And on the top floor is going to be exclusively for the master bedroom. So as we're first approaching this amazing property, we notice the combination of the white wooden panels and the smooth stucco finish that is surrounding this entire property. Also, guys, take a look at the exterior. I do really like the modern architecture that went into designing this entire property. It's very beautiful. Over to my left-hand side, we have a 2-car garage, which is painted in a nice blue color, really nice and minimalistic design. I do really love that. And if you follow me up these beautiful stone steps, we're gonna head up to the main level of the property. Without any further ado, let's head inside. So featured right here, your front door is going to be this beautiful glass enclosed door with black accents featured around. And as we step inside, we have this absolutely magnificent living space. Over to my left-hand side, we have the formal living area. Also, if we take a look right here as well, you have some sliding glass doors, which actually lead out to a mini balcony where you get that nice ocean breeze. And you just have amazing views of your greenery here at this property. Very beautiful. I do love that a lot. And as we further step up, another amazing light fixture right above me. And we have an extension of the same formal living room right here as well. Another picture window right here. Guys, just a little note, almost every single window in this property is gonna be a picture window. That's just how beautiful your entire surroundings are here in this amazing community of Emerald Bay. We step outside here to the mini terrace, also surrounded by those slidable stacking doors, and take a look at that beach view. In this property, you are a mere 25 steps away from the south end of Emerald Bay. Absolutely beautiful. I do really love that indoor-outdoor flow that you have inside of this formal living room. Also a lot of room in here as well. You notice those wooden white panels right above me on that ceiling. And to my left-hand side as well, we do see one of the 2 fireplaces featured inside this property with the nice stone accents shown across there as well. Now follow me down and let's go ahead and check out the powder room featured on the main level of this property. Step over to my right-hand side, you have a beautiful light fixture which is actually attached to your mirror right here. You got that nice white tile design with matching cabinetry right below. As we step out here, we have the informal living area. Absolutely beautiful space. And guys, if you just take a look to my right-hand side, we have some more of those sliding stackable doors, another picture window right here, and just take a look at how close you are to the beach, guys. In reality, the beach is your backyard here at this property. It is absolutely magnificent. Just 25 steps away, and you can relax in beautiful, private Emerald Bay. Also, you see to my left-hand side, we have a massive dining table. Personally, if I was living at this property, I would probably eat out here more than I would eat inside, just because of that nice ocean breeze. Beautiful. And here we have space for the wet bar area, some more of that nice light oak wooden countertops, some more of that light wooden cabinetry right here. We see designated refrigeration right here. Then plenty of floating shelves for all of your alcohol. And guys, I just love the open space that you have here in this informal living room. Also notice the modern architecture that went into designing this entire interior of the property. I love the open concept as well. You can see right up to that master bedroom. You have some nice skylights around this area as well, and more of the wooden white panels featured right above me. To my right-hand side, we have the informal dining table, plenty of space to hold all your guests here at this property. Another picture window right there that leads right out to an amazing tree, so beautiful. And guys, something I've actually never seen inside a property before. We're on the second level of the property, and this is a mounted barbecue. This is actually mounted onto your balcony. I've never seen that before, and that is absolutely incredible. I do really like that. Amazing. Now follow me, and let's go ahead and check out the kitchen featured on the main level of this property. So right here, we see that nice oak wood surrounding this entire countertop. Over to my right-hand side as well, we see the 4-burner stovetop, some more of that white wooden cabinetry right above. And also we do see an amazing skylight right above here, letting a lot of natural light to this room as well. And that window just lets in a lot of that ocean breeze, guys. It's very beautiful in here. Here we see some built-in appliances. You got your built-in microwave, built-in oven. You also have your built-in Sub-Zero refrigerator and some more of that white wooden cabinetry. Now, as you follow me on down, we are back in the formal living room. To my left-hand side, we have a coat closet. As we continue on down, follow me to my left-hand side, and let's go ahead and take a look at that master bedroom exclusively on the 3rd floor of this property. And I really do love the open concept. So you're actually standing right here. You can see the entire openness of your home. Very beautiful. And also to my left-hand side as well, we see another nice picture window featured inside. And we are led into the executive master suite area. So here you got plenty of space for your nightstands on either side, nice comfortable living area inside of here as well. And of course, you have a balcony that leads out to your beach. Let's go ahead and check it out. So take a look at this, guys. Absolutely magnificent here. I just cannot get over those Emerald Bay views, guys. That is beautiful. It's a nice Sunday afternoon here in Laguna Beach, California. You can actually see all the boats just docked out. During the whole day, they'll just sit there. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful sight. I love the palm trees surrounding this beach as well. Very magnificent. And then again, you got those sliding stackable doors right here. Some more of those white wooden panels featured right above. And follow me into the master bathroom inside of this home. So shown here, we have a very minimalistic design consisting of white countertops, white wooden cabinetry, and white walls and ceilings surrounding this entire area. Inside of this master bedroom, we actually do see 2 vanities. We have one on my left-hand side here, and then one behind it on my right-hand side. And if you follow me in here as well, we have another window, lets in that beautiful ocean breeze, and you can look out, and it's just absolutely magnificent, guys. I just love this. Right next to the beach, it's beautiful. To my right-hand side, we have space for the toilet area, and that door is actually covered with a mirror. And guys, this might be one of my most favorite amenities in this entire home. You step in here, you have that beautiful stone design inside your shower, and look at that skylight right above us. There's actually no ceiling whatsoever. It's all consisted of a skylight. That is beautiful. A lot of natural light when you're showering inside this room. Absolutely amazing, guys. You can shower under the stars at night too. Beautiful. That's glass enclosed as well. Amazing. And now follow me and let's head inside the master closet inside of this property. So in here we see more of that white minimalistic design featured on those cabinet spaces and on the glass doors above as well. Over here we have a nice wooden countertop which can hold a lot of your accessories, maybe some shoes, maybe some jewelry as well. Plenty of drawers to hold all your clothing. And we have another nice full body mirror featured right here as well. And then we have more of that white cabinetry. Very nice, minimalistic, and clean design inside of this master bedroom. Now follow me down here, and we are actually gonna go down 2 sets of stairs. We're gonna go check out that movie theater and some additional bedrooms, guys. Let's go. Follow me down. We have some more of that stonework leading down these stairs. And guys, what do you think? Should we go left or should we go right?
Left.
Let's go left. Now guys, the moment you have all been waiting for. Follow me to my left and look at this private movie theater that you have. But here we see you got the massive TV mounted on your wall right here. And we also have that soundproof effect as you walk in here, fully soundproof, state-of-the-art speaker technology here. You have nice seating built into your wall right here, some additional seating right here so you can have all your guests over and enjoy a beautiful movie here in this cinema. Again, we got a skylight as well that lets in a lot of natural light to this room, but if you're watching a movie, that actually does have an automated shade that does come down. Let's continue on down. And to my right-hand side, we have the designated laundry room, space for 2 appliances right here, and a built-in sink over here as well. Some more of that white cabinetry around this room as well. Now let's continue on down over this stair set. So this room is going to be a coat closet right here. And if you follow me right in here, this is where we have the 2-car garage. Self-explanatory area, but these walls are a little low, guys. I might almost be hitting my head right here. And then right here we have some extra storage. Maybe you're coming back from the beach, you want somewhere to store all of your chairs, your towels and whatnot. Perfect, very convenient inside of this garage space. Let's head outside. Let's continue on down. And let's go to my far right-hand side, and we have bedroom number 2 inside of this property. So currently staged to fit 2 twin-size beds. We also have a full-body mirror enclosing that closet space. Perfect space for a mounted TV, and you have that window which looks out right to the beach, which is absolutely beautiful. I do love this a lot. And let's go ahead and check out bedroom number 3 inside of this property. So very similar. It's actually going to be a little bit different from the last one that we did check out. So the closet is going to be located over on the left-hand side of the room. Another picture window which looks right out to the beach. Beautiful room. More space for that mounted TV as well. And as you follow me over to my right-hand side, we have the bathroom, which is meant to be shared between these 2 bedrooms right here. So we come inside of here, we have that nice stone countertop. We have another light fixture that is actually built into that mirror right there. And we have this glass enclosed shower space with another beautiful picture window that lets in a lot of natural light during the day. Very amazing, I do like that a lot. And now follow me down. And if you guys follow me outside of here, this is going to be the first level of the property. Right above us is going to be the main level, and you actually do have direct access to the beach as well, and you could access the home through this door as well. Over to my right-hand side, we actually have a dry sauna, which is included with the property. And if you guys follow me down here as well, we have a nice little outdoor area. You can definitely add some tables and chairs, have a nice relaxation area behind your home. We see more of the use of those wooden panels extending to the top of the property. Beautiful trees surrounding here as well. And then you have your gate entry, which can lead directly outside of your home. Let's continue on down. This home also is very big on privacy. You have these massive trees surrounding this area as well. So you definitely have all the privacy you need here in Emerald Bay, California. So we've checked out the entire exterior of the property. Let's go ahead and head back inside and check out the last couple rooms that are remaining. Now we have made it back inside the home. Follow me to my right, and this is going to be bedroom number 4 featured inside this property. So again, you have lots of storage inside this room. You have more full body mirrors enclosing your closet spaces, space for a mounted TV, and then you have some slider windows right there as well. Let's continue on down. Follow me to my right once more, and we have bedroom number 5 featured inside of this home. So right here we see similar sliding windows that we did see in the last bedroom. We also have that mounted TV right there. Plenty of space inside this room. This is kind of like a little bit of a mini master bedroom in here, guys. And then here we have the full-size walk-in closet. You have plenty of space for all your clothing. And you actually have this nice little island right here with lots of custom wooden cabinetry right below as well. Lots of storage in here. Very beautiful. And then in here we have the Jack and Jill bathroom. So here we see that tile design featured on your countertop. We have some more of that light wooden cabinetry shown right below that. And featured to my right-hand side, we have the glass enclosed bathtub shower combination right here. Also, we actually have some shutters on that window which can be opened up and let in a lot of natural light to this bathroom. Now, as we step outside this bathroom, follow me right in here, and this is going to be a designated closet to store your vacuum, store your appliances, and all that good stuff. Follow me back down. So guys, as a little bit of fun for the last segment of this video, I actually wanted to test the theory. I want to really see if this home is truly 25 steps away from the beach. So let's test it out. Ready, set, let's go. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 steps later. Look at where we are, guys. That is magnificent. All right, guys, so that is gonna wrap up our tour for amazing 44 Emerald Bay here in Laguna Beach, California. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, drop a like. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this amazing property, which is located just 25 steps away from a private beach here in Emerald Bay, California. I will see you guys next week for another amazing house tour, and thank you so much for watching.